Hey guys, Outdoors with Kevin, outdoors. We're gonna do a quick review on waxing and how to wax my Fjällräven Greenland jacket. It is definitely time for a good waxing. This is the Fjällräven Greenland Wax, and this is really straightforward, really simple to use. I could sum it up for you in a couple seconds. So it looks like a big bar of soap, okay? This seems to last for quite a long time, just so you know. And I think they have small little mini bars too that you could take with you, I guess, if you're camping and I'm not sure why you're re-waxing out in the field, but you can do it. So the wax is really straightforward. I rub it in and then I apply a heat source. I've tried several times to use the bed of my truck because it has a plug-in to use a hairdryer, but a hairdryer, as you know, takes a lot of amperage and the truck can't handle that. What we're gonna use today is this heat gun right here. So we're gonna use this as our hairdryer today. The G-1000 material is a polyester fabric and cotton fabric. So the idea is the wax will actually adhere to the cotton that's inside here. So you can see it starting to turn white. And on the high use areas, such as like the bottom of the sleeves, maybe the shoulders up here, you want to add a little bit more wax. And I've noticed that there's not necessarily a strategy as far as what it looks like white on here, because once I apply heat, it is going to absorb into the material itself. So you can kind of see weird shapes because that's the internal pocket, but you want to lift up on the pockets and get underneath all these things. And I typically will pick one section of the jacket to do first and then work my way around. So we're gonna get the heat going. Let's do a nice close-up here so you can theoretically see it absorb. And you'll see it kind of start to turn a little bit of colors. So hopefully this is showing up on camera. The white going away, absorbing this wax into the material. So as far as simplicity, you don't have to have any skill sets to do this. This Greenland wax works really, really well. Now, how waterproof is my jacket gonna be after I get it completely waxed? Well, Waterproof, no. So if you were to take one of those Carhartt rubber rain gear, you know, that's that thick, it's not that thick, but really thick Carhartt, put that on, throw your hood on, you can stand in the rain for days and you'll be totally dry, because that's 100% waterproof as far as rain coming down. Put on a Gore-Tex shell or a waterproof shell, and you're gonna stay dry for many hours, many hours. The key is though, is breathability. And in the Carhartt rubber rain gear, if you're doing any kind of activity, you're gonna die because of sweat. You're literally gonna sweat to death because it's not breathable. If you're doing high exertion energy output in sporting, hiking, things like that, snowboarding or whatever, in your Gore-Tex jacket, that's why it's got pit zips, and you need to be able to breathe and let air circulate through it. It's gonna keep you dry and warm, which is nice. It blocks the wind. Now, this G-1000 fabric is awesome, really rugged, but the best part is breathable. So a lot of guys that are just get hot wearing normal clothes, this stuff's for you because it cuts the wind, it's rugged and durable, but it's not too hot. I like that. Now, as far as will this wet out? Yes. The cool thing though is that it dries really fast. So you definitely would want to have a rain jacket if you're out in the woods, you're on a hike, you're camping. But for light sprinkles, you're at a sporting event, light sprinkles coming down, the G-1000 fabric is really, really good. And I think you'll be really happy with it. So obviously, if you're watching this video, you probably have some Fjällräven gear and you like it. Go ahead and chime in the comments. What's one feature that you like most about the G-1000, the Fjällräven fabric? Is it the ability that dries fast? Is it that it's low maintenance? You don't have to really do anything to it. You wash it with your normal clothes. What is it that you like most? Thank you so much for sticking by the channel, guys. We appreciate you. Throw those comments out there. We love interacting with you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate you guys. Have an awesome day. We'll see you on the next adventure.